Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I am going to upload Assessment of Individual Part 3. So this is for your 2017 15 marks question. Here the question is like that. Mr. Vinay furnishes the following information for previous year ended 31/3/2020. He is employed in a private company. During the year, his basic salary was Rs 25,000 per month. He received 20% of basic salary as a dearness allowances. He also received HRA at 10% of basic salary. Following were the deductions from his salary. LIC premium of rupee 30,000 on a policy of rupee 5 lakh, which was issued prior to 1/4/2012. Professional tax rupee 200 per month. So this is your first information. So this information it relates to the income from salary. Income from salary. The second information it relates to house property. He is owner of a house consisting of two equal units. He retained the one unit for his use and second house is let out at a monthly rent of rupee 4,500. The municipal value of the house is rupee 80,000 and municipal tax paid is 10% of municipal value. During the year, house loan repaid amounted to rupee 40,000 which included interest on loan of rupee 10,000. The let out unit remained vacant for 2 months. So the third information it relates to the other sources. His income from other sources were winning from lottery 21,000 bracket al net ಅನ್ನು word ಇದೆ. Interest on bank term deposit rupee 10,000 bracket al gross ಇದೆ. Interest on debenture of X company limited rupee 5,400 listed. Dividend from cooperative society rupee 5,000. He has made the following payment during the year. Donations to Prime Minister National Relief Fund rupee 10,000. For repairs of notified temple rupee 8,500. Compute his total income for the assessment year 2020-21 and taxable tax payable. So this is for your 2017 question paper 15 marks question. Now the solution. Computation of total income and tax payable for the assessment year 2020-21. We need here three column, particular, amount and total column. The first head is the income from salary. Basic salary 25,000 into 12 month, 3 lakh is a basic salary. DA 20% of basic salary. Here basic salary is rupee 3 lakh. 20% of rupee 3 lakh means 60,000 is a DA. Next one is the HRA. If HRA given, here HRA are given in percentage base. 10% of basic salary. So 10% of rupee 3 lakh means 30,000 here taxable. 3 lakh plus 60,000 plus 30,000 total salary is called as a gross salary. 3 lakh 90,000. Less deduction under section 16. 16 1A standard deduction rupee 50,000. 16 3 professional tax 200 into 12 2,400. Income from salary 3,37,600. So this is all about the first information. Life insurance premium it is deductible under section 80C. Professional tax it is already deducted under section 16(3). So this is all about part of the income from salary. Then next part, income from house property. Here entire house are classified divided into two part. Unit 1, Unit 2. Unit 1 is a self-occupied property. SOP. We know the format of computing SOP. Up to net annual value is always nil. Less under sections 24B. Interest on loan. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಲೋನ್ ಸಾರಿ ಸೊ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಲೋನ್ During the year, the house loan repaid amounted rupee 40,000. ಹೌಸ್ ಲೋನ್ ರಿಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು 80C ಅಂಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲೇಮ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಲೋನ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕ್ಲೇಮ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ 24B ಅಂಡರ್ ದ ಹೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ. ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಲೋನ್ ಈಸ್ ರುಪಿ 10,000. ಯೂನಿಟ್ 1ಗೆ 5,000, ಯೂನಿಟ್ 2ಗೆ 5,000. 50-50 ನೋ. ಸೊ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಲೋನ್ ರುಪಿ 5,000. ಸೊ ದ ಫೈನಲಿ ಯೂನಿಟ್ 1 SOP ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಲಾಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ SOP minus 5,000. The second unit, LOP, Let-out Property. We know the format of computing LOP. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮುನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ರೆಂಟಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 40,000 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಆಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ರೆಂಟ್ 54,000. ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ಎವರ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೈಯರ್ 54,000 is the answer. ಮೈನಸ್ ವೇಕೆಂಟ್ ರೆಂಟ್ 2 months ವೇಕೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಸೊ 9,000. ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಎನ್ಯುವಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 45,000. Less municipal tax paid 10% of municipal rental value. Here municipal rental value is rupee 40,000. 10% of 40,000 means 4,000. Net annual value 41,000. Less deduction under sections 24. In case of house property, 24A is a standard deduction. 30% of net annual value means 30% of rupee 41,000, 12,300. 24B, interest on loan. 50% of rupee 10,000 means 5,000. So income from LOP 23,700. ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ LOP ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ SOP ನ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಇಂಟರ್ ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಇಂಟರ್ ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್. ಸೊ ಇಂಟರ್ ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ SOP 5,000. So the final balance income from house property, balance income from house property 18,700. So this is all about the second head. So the third head, wait a minute. So the third head is income from other sources. Winning from lottery. Winning from lottery here 21,000. ಇದನ್ನ ಕ್ರಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ವರ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ. 21,000 net amount received into 100 divided by 70 is the formula. 21,000 into 100 divided by 70 means winning from lottery gross amount or taxable amount is rupee 30,000. Interest on bank term deposits 10,000. Interest on bank term deposits is rupee 10,000. Interest on debenture. Interest on debenture is one of the example of less tax securities. So less tax securities ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ if it is interest received only given, then we have to grossing up. 5,400 into 100 divided by 90. So 6,000 is a taxable amount. Dividend from cooperative society. If it is dividend from domestic company or Indian company, then it is exempted. If any dividend received from cooperative society or foreign company, then it is 100% taxable, 5,000. So total income from other sources 51,000. So after that finding income from salary, house property, then income from other sources, all three head of income ಅನ್ನ total ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ the total is called as a gross total income 4,07,300. 4,07,300. After that, less deduction under section 80C to 80U. The first priority is 80C, LIC premium paid. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮ್ ಅಶ್ಯೂರ್ಡ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಕಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದ ಇಯರ್ ಕೂಡ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹೀಗಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕಂಪೇರ್. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇಸ್ 30,000. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಇಶ್ಯೂಡ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ 1/4/2012. ಸೊ 20% ಆಫ್ ಸಮ್ ಅಶ್ಯೂರ್ಡ್. ಇನ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಅಶ್ಯೂರ್ಡ್ is rupee 5 lakh. 20% of rupee 5 lakh means 1 lakh is the answer. Whichever is less is eligible to claim means 30,000. Then 80C ಅಂಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ರಿಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೌಸಿಂಗ್ ಲೋನ್ ಕೂಡ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 30,000. So according to 80C, total amount of deductible is rupee 60,000. Then 80G. We know 80G under Donations are classified into two categories, without any limit, with limit. So without any limit is the first category. Donations to Prime Minister National Relief Fund. It is 100% deductible one, rupee 10,000. Then one more donation is there for repairs of notified temple. ಇದು with 10% adjusted gross total income ಒಳಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So the second category with 10% adjusted gross total income for repairs of notified temple. Even though ಆ category ಒಳಗಡೆ it doesn't come under the 100%. It come 50% deductible with 10% of adjusted gross total income. So repairs, we know the steps, no? 8,500 is a donations given to repairs of the notified temple or 10% of adjusted gross total income. Working note number one, we know how to find adjusted gross total income. We know the formula for calculating adjusted gross total income. So adjusted gross total income equal gross total income minus under section ATC to ATU excluding ATG. So gross total income is 4,07,300. Total ATG between ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ATC to ATU ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 60,000. So here adjusted gross total income for 3,47,300. 10% of 3,47,300 means 34,730. 34,730. After comparisons, these two values, whichever is less is deductible, means 8,500. Out of that, it belongs to the 50% limit with the 10% of adjusted gross total income. So 8,500 in a 50% means 4,250 is tax deductible or it is eligible to claim under section ATG. So income or taxable income finally, after deduct ATC and ATG, 3,33,050. ಸೊ ಈ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಅಸಸ್ಸಿಗೆ 3,33,050 ರುಪೀಸಿಗೆ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಪೋಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಪೇಯಬಲ್. ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಪೇಯಬಲ್. Out of rupee 3,53,000, out of 3,33,050, first ಇವನ್ ಅಸಸ್ಸಿ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಬಿಲೋ 60 ಏಜ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ on first rupee 2,50,000 ನಿಲ್. ರಿಮೇನ್ 83,050ಗೆ 5% ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4,153. Add health and education cess 4% of 4,153, 1,660, 166 is the amount. Total taxable payment 4,319. 4,319. We know that tax rate, no? So tax rate prakara calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. And one more thing, casual incomes, if it is given gross, then we have to calculate separately tax payable to the casual income. But under this case, the casual income are given the net amount. Casual incomes are given like winning from lottery is given net amount. So 21,000 is a net amount plus 30,000 under 9,000 is a the tax amount are added one. So again ಮತ್ತೆ separate ಆಗಿ calculate ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. If it is given winning from lottery net amount. If it is given gross amount, then tax payable find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ separate ಆಗಿ calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So this is all about 2017 question paper question. Thank you for watching.